Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to install this moon surface light. So I have a couple of these traditional lights. I'm going to replace them with this new light. So here's everything that comes in the box. On the back side, we've got our mounting brackets. We got to kind of turn this, and it's going to unmount and you can pull it out. There's our wires. Now, there are 3 different temperatures. There's a switch right here. And we can switch between warm white, neutral white, and cool white with this switch right here. Cool white, neutral white, and warm white. There's a W, an N, and a C. And you just simply flip the switch. Now you can install this, and if it's not the right color you like, you can kind of just untwist it, flip the switch real quick, and put it back up. You don't have to disconnect the wires every time. And again, here's the mounting bracket. So keep in mind, this part, this is going to go towards the wall or the ceiling. This part here, the smaller part, is what the unit actually screws into. So the big flat part, this is what's going to go towards the ceiling. Let's just do some rough dimensions really quick. So it's 12 inches. You know, the mounting bracket is around 6 inches. Between the holes is about 3 that way. Maximum 4, minimum about 2. And it's not very thick at all, about 1 inch thick. It feels like it's made very well. And it does come with some mounting screws, 2 like wood screws, and you also have like the screws that go into an electrical box. Okay, so make sure you pull the breaker for the light that you're going to be removing, and then you're going to take the old light off. You're going to install this new mounting light bracket. Then we're going to put the wire nuts on the new wires. Okay, so you're going to put the 2 wires on the wire nuts, and you got to kind of put them behind that bracket. Then you're going to push this up, and you got to turn it. Now, I do find that if I'm pushing on the outside up and turn it, you got to push kind of in here, not super hard, but to kind of get that bracket to grab. You can get that bracket to grab and turn it, and it stops. Okay, so let's turn it on. Wow, it is super bright. That's on the middle setting. It's kind of a white light. It's not super bright light. And it's not warm either, but it's kind of like in the middle. So this light's very easy to install. I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.